Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a scene of school friends visiting for with their teacher, a memory drawing of a fun and joyous picnic. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, which is one of the earliest forms of human artistic expression, dating back to the Upper Paleolithic period, around 40,000 to 10,000 years ago. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. We will start by placing the characters by drawing their outlines. We will draw the human body using simple shapes. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to always keep the proportions in check and the shapes as simple as possible. Our first character has one arm stretched out in front of the canyon, giving the kids information about the canyon. After you are done with the basic shape, draw the canyon in front. Now our second character is holding his bag and listening to the teacher. Now next, let's draw our third character touching the canyon with a little bend, so don't forget to add bend to the character. Today we will be drawing one more character to add more feel to the sketch. Let's draw this character behind the teacher listening to the teacher. So now that we are done with the character, let's begin with drawing the background. As this fort is near the sea, let's add a beach and water in the background along with the boat sailing at a distance. Make sure to keep the background simple to pull attention towards the main action. Now let us sail back to our characters and draw their details like hats and clothes always. Remember that the costume you give to the character establishes a better feel to the sketch. Let's add expression to the characters to set the tempo of the sketch. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our beach scene. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a more better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a wonderful visit to a fort along with school friends and teacher. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Cave art is one of the earliest forms of human artistic expression, dating back to the Upper Paleolithic period, around 40,000 to 10,000 years ago. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.